when you start speaking, in that time we need so many words. Okay? And we forget right time, right word. That's why today I have taken some words. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel English with Lipon. And without much further ado, let's get started. My first word is rigorous. Rigorous. If you observe it, two hyphen. That means one, two, three. Three syllable, trisyllable. How to pronounce it with the help of IPA, International Phonetic Alphabet. This is not the letters, this is symbol. How to pronounce it? This one not R, this one Ra, E, G, A. Schwa sound, it looks like reverse E. And it is schwa sound. Ra, A sound, this is also schwa sound. And the stress mark in front of the raw sound. This one primary stress, and we have to put stress in front of the word. It is used as an adjective. How to pronounce it? Rigorous. Rigorous. Okay? And what is the meaning of the word? Done carefully and with a lot of attention. This is the meaning of the word. And when you learn something, in that time you have to use it with a sentence. The work failed to meet their rigorous standards. The work failed to meet their rigorous standards. Rigorous. Okay? And what is the synonym of the word? Thorough or strict, you can say. What is the antonym of the word? Slapdash. That means careless. Okay? My second word is metropolitan. Metropolitan. One, two, three. Three hyphen, that means four syllable. Polysyllable. Metropolitan. How to pronounce it with the help of IPA, International Phonetic Alphabet. Stress mark. This one, second stress. Ma, e, t, ra. A sound. Just a little bit. Schwa sound. And the stress mark over P. Pa. This one, A sound, reverse A. It looks like reverse A. A sound. L, E, t, a. Schwa sound. Na. Metropolitan. Metropolitan. What is the meaning of it? Actually, metropolitan word is connected with a large city. Okay, a capital city. What is the how to use it in a sentence? That means what is the next sentence? A metropolitan area is bustling with diverse cultures and vibrant nightlife. A metropolitan area is bustling with diverse cultures and vibrant nightlife. Next word is cosmopolitan. Cosmopolitan. The pronunciation is Cosmopolitan. This one S. Okay. But when you pronounce it, in that time I have to pronounce it with Z sound. Cosmopolitan. Cosmopolitan. Ka, a. This one reverse A sound. Z, Z, ma, A sound. Schwa sound, reverse E. And I have to put a stress over P. Pa, a, la, e, t. A sound. Schwa sound, na. Cosmopolitan. Cosmopolitan. Okay, when you learn something in that time, you have to pronounce it again and again. Then it would be better for your pronunciation. So, cosmopolitan. And it is used as an adjective. What is the meaning of the word? Containing people of different types or from different countries and influenced by their culture. This is the meaning of the word. And how to use it in a sentence? The club has cosmopolitan atmosphere. The club has a cosmopolitan atmosphere. Next word is fortuitous. Fortuitous. Okay? Two hyphen, that means 3-syllable trisyllable. For tweeters. How to pronounce it? F, fa, not F, fa. O sound, colon, that means long vowel sound. F. This one, t, stress mark over T, t, ya, u, colon, that means long vowel sound. F, chui, tus, t, a, s, short sound. Fortuitous. Okay. What is the meaning of fortuitous? Happening by chance, especially a lucky chance that brings a good result. This is the meaning of fortuitous. And how to use it in a sentence. It was fortuitous that they met at the cafe, leading to a lasting friendship. And what is the synonym of this word? The synonym of the word is chance. And what is the antonym? Predictable is the antonym of fortuitous. Now, rudimentary. Rudimentary. 1, 2, 3, 3 hyphen, that means 4-syllable polysyllable. Rudimentary. How to pronounce it with the help of IPA. Ru, this one colon mark, that means long vowel sound. Ru, d-e, ma-e-na, t-ra-e. Rudimentary. This, here we can see T-A-R-Y. Tari. No, when you pronounce it, we have to pronounce it tree. Rudimentary. Okay, and it is used as an adjective. What is the meaning of the word? What is the meaning of the word? Dealing with the most basic matters or ideas. Okay, dealing with the most basic matters or ideas, and how to use it in a sentence. They were given only rudimentary training in the job. Rudimentary. Okay. And what is the synonym? The synonym, basic. Synonym, basic, and antonym, of course, advanced. Next, and the last word is telepathy. Telepathy. How to pronounce it with the help of IPA. T-a, short sound, and the stress mark over l, a, pa, a sound, short sound. This one, t-e, telepathy. Telepathy. Okay, we have to put a stress, la sound. What is the meaning of it? The direct connection of thoughts or feelings from one person to another without using speech, writing, or any other normal method. Okay, this is called telepathy. And what is the use of this sentence? The two friends shared such a deep connection that it often felt that they communicated through telepathy. I think all of you enjoy my class, and I am working with phonetics. That's why I always put a stress on my class phonetics. Okay, the correct pronunciation of the word. If you pronounce it again and again, it would be better for you, and you will be able to speak with the correct pronunciation. That's it for today. Next time I will come with another video. Till then, bye bye. Adios. See ya.